Hello dear all and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna have a look of Estonia banknotes, new Kroon, were circulated between 1991 2011. So we have denomination of 1, 2, 5, 10 and 25. Of course there are more like 100 and 500, but I don't have it. I think they are very expensive. So let's start with the first one, 1 Kroon. This was issued in 1992. As we can see on the obverse, we have the portrait of an Estonian artist, call it Christian Raud. Christian Raud, as I told you, is an artist, Estonian artist. It's a symbolist painter, an illustrator, who was one of the founders of the Estonian National Museum. He born in 1865 and he died in 1943. As you can see here, you have the name and the date of birth. So here's the portrait, the denomination 11. Here is in the letter, you have the serial number. In black, we have here the signatures. Let's see. The watermark. It's a castle. Let's call it Tompea Castle. We're gonna see it on the reverse. Here we have a vignette. So let's see the reverse. As I told you, is the Tompea Castle. It's a medieval castle on Tompea Hill in the central part of Tallinn, the capital of Estonia. And nowadays, the modern time is the house of Estonian Parliament. So more about this banknote was engraved by Urmas Plompiu. Is issued in 1992, as I told you, the standard circulation banknote issued by Bank of Estonia and was demonetized in 15 January 2011. So next banknote, 2 krooni. Yeah, let's put it in the center. 2 krooni. This one was issued in, let's see, also 1992, sorry, and was denominated in 2011. It's a standard circulation banknote. On the overs we have Karl Ernst van Baer. Let's see who was this guy. Karl Ernst van Baer Adler von Hutthorn. He was born in 1792 and he died in 1876. Was a Baltic German scientist, an explorer, and he is considered a founding father of embryology. He was also a member of Russian Academy of Science and co-founder of the Russian Geographical Society. So as you can see, it's like the same frame, the name, date of birth, the signatures. The signatures are the same like 1 kroon. No, they are different. Here, it's a blue banknote. See the denomination 222. Again, one vignette. Let's see what is the watermark. The same custom. As I told you, Tompea Castle. And let's see what is on the reverse of this banknote. It's a Tartu University, is the building of the Tartu University. Tartu University is a public research university located in the city of Tartu, from Estonia, that's why the name Tartu University. It is also the largest and oldest university in Estonia. So the university was founded in 1632. It's pretty old university. So you see here in the middle the main image. Here two krooni, again two. This is Estonian bank, the logo, and here it's in the letter kaks krooni. So let's see the next one. Next one is 5 krooni. Let's see when was this issued. This one was issued in 1991. So the date is 1991, but was issued in 1992, as I told you. It's 140 millimeter with 70 millimeter. Standard banknote circulation coin. More about the coin. The watermark is the same. And what we see here different, we have here the serial number on vertical in brown color, and here it's in black color on horizontal. The signature also is on the right side of the portrait. The portrait is of Paul Keres, is a international grandmaster chess player. So that's why we have here the chess place in the upper right. Here, if you see the plate and the pieces. So here you have the signature. Here we have the name and the date of birth and when he died. So he born in 1960 and he died in 1975. He died quite young. We have here the logo of the National Bank. Sorry, let's put it in the center. Here the value, 5 kroon in a vignette. Here we have again here a vignette. So let's see what it's on the other side. 5 krooni. As you can see, it's a nice view. It's the Narva River here, with the Narva Herman Castle on the left side and Ivangorod Fortress on the right side. So the castle, Herman Castle, also known as the Narva Castle or Narva Fortress, it's a medieval castle in the city of Narva in northeast of Estonia. So the castle was built in 1256. So it's pretty old castle. If we look to the image, we can see here on the main image is this castle. Here we have the value on the letters and numbers and the name of the issued bank. If we look to the watermark, you can see it's different. What represents? I think it's the coat of the arm or something like this. I don't know exactly what represents, but you can find many details on the internet. So the next one is 10 krooni, issued with the date of 1991 again. But we have two dates, 1991, 1992. This is 1991. It was printed by De La Rue in London, United Kingdom. We have the signature of the president and the board member. On the overs we have the linguist Jacob Hart, theologian and linguist. You can see here his name and the date of the birth and when he died. He birthed in 1839 and he died in 1907. So on the reverse we have like the main image. The Tam Lauri oak is a large common oak. It is the thickest and oldest tree in Estonia and is located in Antsla parish. The height of the tree is 17 meters, approximately 55 feet, and the circumference is 831 centimeters from the ground. According to the researchers, so this tree was planted around 1326. So it's pretty old tree. So that's why it's a symbol of Estonia. So we have here again the bank, the value, 10 krooni in letters and numbers. So next one is 25 krooni, issued in 1991. As you can see, the serial number, black and green, the signatures, the name of the main portrait, Anton Hansen, Tamasari. Here in the center we have the vignette and the name of the bank, the value, 25 krooni, again in a nice vignette. So here, if you look after the value, you can see the Bank of Estonia here in the right side. So on the reverse we have, on the reverse, sorry. So you can see it's a green underprint, multicolor. Again, the bank name. Let's see what is in the watermark, the same watermark. And this is image of the village where the guy Anton Hansen was born. So this is the museum of the Anton Hansen. Yeah, as you can see, Anton Hansen. Let's see who was this guy. So he born in 1878 and he died in 1940. Was an Estonian writer whose Pentalogy, Truth and Justice is considered one of the major work of Estonian literature and the Estonian novel. So this was for today, Estonian banknotes, 25 krooni, 10 krooni, the red one with the tree, 5 brown orange, orange brown with the castle and the river, 2 the blue one with the university, and the last one, 1 crown with the fortress. So thanks for watching and see you next time.